Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about how to rotate a polygon 270 degrees around the origin. So we're going to be taking a look at the basic formula that we can use in order to do this. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how to rotate a quadrilateral, which is quadrilateral FGHJ, which has the following vertex 270 degrees, right? So the important thing about this is that whenever we rotate a polygon around the origin, we're going to be using different type of formulas for 90 degrees, for 180 degrees, and now we're going to take a look at how to rotate a polygon around the origin 270 degrees. Now, in order to do that, we have to remember that whenever we have a point B and that point is rotated 270 degrees around the origin, the rotated point, so the resulting point, is going to have coordinates y comma minus x. Okay, so if we have point A, right, which has coordinates minus 2 and 5, for example, our new point A is going to again have the coordinate of x is going to be the value we had of y, so it's going to be 5, and then the coordinate of y is going to be the negative of the value of x it had. So in this case it would be negative negative 2, which is positive 2, right? Now we're gonna do exactly that thing, but for our quadrilateral FGHJ, which is the quadrilateral that we want to rotate. So the rotation of 270 degrees across the origin of the point F, which is again 2, 6, is going to be F tick mark, which means that the point has been moved or rotated. And again, we're going to have y, which is 6, and then the value of y is going to be the negative of the value of x. So in this case, it's going to be negative 2. And again, we're going to do exactly the same thing for every single one of those vertex. Okay, so the rotation of 270 degrees across the origin of J is going to be J tick mark, of H is going to be H tick mark, and of G is going to be J tick mark. Now, of G, it's going to be 2, and then the negative of 3, we're going to have 5, which was the initial value of y, and then negative 7. And then for J, we're going to have 2, which was the initial value of y, and negative 5, which was, again, the initial value of x. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. You just have to use this formula, and that formula pretty much will help you to graph the coordinates of the new points of the rotated quadrilateral. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!